Hey y'all, so today I'm creating some afro twists. Today I'm using the Janet Collection Essentials 3X CurlistA Spiral 20-inch color 1B. And Janet Collection sent me this hair to review. So it comes with 3 bundles, and this is how the hair looks. Just straight out the pack. So I did a few already. I actually did the back of my head in this half. So I'm gonna show you guys my method. I'm using stretch hair. I'm using 6 curls, 6 spirals, and I'm just going to fluff them out first. It doesn't take much to get them fluffy. So then I'm just gonna grab the ends and make sure they're all equal, and then find my place at the top, twist it a little bit. I already put Edgewax on this section, so I'm gonna fold it over the section so that my hair is the 3rd leg, and then I'm gonna twist, then braid. And just braid for a few times just to make sure it's secure. And then I'm gonna take my hair in the middle, split it in half, twist this one first, this leg, and then twist the second leg so it's all combined. And then do the rope twist method all the way down. Now at the ends of my hair, I'm just gonna put a little Edgewax just to make sure it stays in the twist. And if you have like those straggly ends, you can just cut them and they'll get out your way. And keep rope twisting down. And then at the ends, we're gonna keep rope twisting them, keep twisting. They start to like get skinny. And then when you can't twist anymore, just coil them around your finger. And then you have your afro twist. So now I'm going to show you how I do my parting. I basically just take a comb with a tail and I part. You can either part from the back or the front. And I'm just going to part a row out first. Once I do that, I just make sure I put everything up into a clip. These clips are really helpful. And then I put some Edgewax on this part to hold it together. And I also put it on this part to keep it upward. Then I'm going to take my clip again and hold that in so that none of this gets into these parts. So now I'm going to split this in half because I just want this to be 2 parts. If you want to make it 3, that is your choice. And now I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, 5 pieces, the wide tooth comb, and I'm going to fluff. And I'm gonna twist where I'm gonna be looping it. Loop it on top. My hair is the 3rd leg and the other 2 pieces are the first 2 legs. I'm gonna twist it and then braid a few times. Split my hair in half. Rope twist one half, rope twist the other half, and then twist down. Now it's slipping a little bit, but that's okay because this one is going to be hidden, so I don't really care about the roots of this one. But up front, I will be making sure the roots look sleek. Down at the end, still rope twisting. And then I'm just going to twist the rest, coil the rest of my fingers. Next row, I'm going to do the same thing. Zip up the rest with the clip. Pull up the hair with the Edgewax. Smooth down this half. This row. Pin the edge. And then this is going to be 2 as well. Okay, so we have the piece again. I'm going to fluff. The key to like the size to part proportion is to make sure the hair you're adding on is more hair than your natural hair. The hair I'm adding in, the 2 strands here are thicker than my natural hair. So it's gonna blend well, it's gonna look right. So it's really like the proportioning that decides if your twist will turn out nice or lumpy or skinny. So yeah, definitely the hair you're adding on should be more than your natural hair you're attaching to. So these pieces here, I always just cut them. So I parted out a row. I'm gonna sleek it up, the Edgewax and the other clip. This also helps like define your parts, and you put on that Edgewax upwards. You want to put it on downwards, and then this one's gonna be 2 as well. All right, this is the last one. Woo, so now I am done my Afro twist. They're so cute, lightweight. Put them to the side. And here's the roots. So these are the parts that y'all saw. So 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. And then on this side, I did, this was last night. 2, 2, 2. No, this was earlier today. 2, 3, and 3. And then in the back, let me separate out the front. You can tell the back from the front because the front has cleaner parts because you can't see them. And you can tell I didn't care about the back part. So 4, 5, 5, 6, 5, and 3. We're not gonna worry about the back. We just have the front because the back is hidden. These twists are super lightweight. They look natural. It's like an alternative to faux locks. If you don't know how to do those, you could do these. They're like the natural look, the natural end, but still like the nice parts. I love them. I would do Afro twists all the time. Seriously, like this is my favorite protective style because it's so cute. So lightweight and natural looking. Okay, so I'm gonna add these. Okay, so I'm gonna take the string and then just like make a short one here. And then I'm gonna wrap tightly around that. Okay, so I'm at the end. Finally, I'm gonna take the string, loop it around itself, and then pull the end through. And I'm gonna do that maybe one more time. And that's basically how I do like the string thing on my twist. So thumbs up this video, check out more like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.